Hey, you are a beginner. You want to learn English. You want to become fluent and confident English speaker. But the problem is you don't have anybody to practice English with. You don't have anybody to guide. Don't worry, I am here to help you out. Alright, in this video I am going to share how to practice English on your own. You don't need anyone's help, okay? You can practice English on your own and you can become confident and fluent English speaker. Let me tell you something. When I am from village, here I don't have anybody. I don't have any English partner in my village. Yet I can speak English fluently and confidently because I practice English with the help of ChatGPT and with the help of the method I am going to share now. I have already created how to use ChatGPT. How do I use ChatGPT to enhance my English, to practice English? But even using ChatGPT all the time, it is not a cup of my tea. I don't feel to use it all the time. If I am in gathering, if I am in market, okay, I can't use ChatGPT because these places are full of noise. So it becomes really difficult to talk to ChatGPT. You know, apart from ChatGPT, I heavily depend on this method because this method allow me to practice English at any place. Whether I am in market, I am in gathering, I am in my room, no matter where am I, okay, but it will allow me to practice English confidently and fluently, and it will also help you to enhance your fluency, okay, that you will think in English all the time. That's that much effective this method is. Well, without much beating around the bush, let's get started. Now, let's say you are sitting in the room as I am sitting. I don't want to practice with ChatGPT. I don't want to talk with anybody else, okay? But I want to do something in English. So what will I do? Here you can see there is a headphone in front of me. It is a headphone, okay? So what will I do? I will start explaining it, okay? I will start talking about this headphone in English. The way you watch tech videos where a YouTuber, a tech YouTuber, he is reviewing his phone. He is, discussing this phone very deeply. That's how you need to do. Let me show you how can you do that. I purchased this headphone in 2022, means 3 years ago, but still I use it. So you can imagine how amazing deal it was, okay? How amazing product it is. And how to put it on, let me tell you. First you have to hold both ends, okay, like this, and you have to stretch it in opposite direction. You don't need to stretch it very much, otherwise it will be broken. So you need to kindly stretch both ends in opposite direction, and you have to put it on like this, okay? You have put it on like this. And if you want to take it off, so how can you do that? Again, you have to grasp like this and stretch both ends in opposite direction a little bit and take it out and take it off like this, okay? And you have got an amazing feature here, that is adjustable feature. You can adjust its size. Here you can see, you can see it is making noise. It doesn't give you the vibes of premium quality, but still it has this feature that is amazing, okay? And you can also adjust it from this size, right? So let's say this is the smallest size I can see. So I put it like this. I have put it on, and here you can see my ear, my both ears is still visible, means it didn't fit well. So I need to fix it. So how will I do that? I will grasp this end like this and pull it down. Now it is completely covered. And again I will pull it down. Here you can see. Now my ear is completely covered. My both ears is completely covered. That's how you can put this headphone on. And let me tell you, when you listen to any song with the help of this headphone, my god, what a quality! The audio quality is really amazing. The bass, the sound quality is fantastic. When I listen to any song with the help of this headphone, I feel to dance, I feel to enjoy, okay, and I feel to run and walk. All right, and it will make you feel that you are surrounded by so many loudspeakers and you are standing in the middle of all these loudspeakers, and these loudspeakers are being played at once. So that's how it will make you feel when you listen to any song in this headphone. Okay, it is really amazing in quality. And let me tell you, it is not white color actually. When I purchased, it was covered with a thin layer of this, you can see this here, you can see bluish layer. It was covered with thin layer of something, thin layer with blue in color. But as I kept it using over the time, they all came out. Now you can see it's white part, and you find might it is dirty, but it is not. Actually, it is not dirty. It is not dirty. Let me tell you why it looks like this. Let me tell you. When your layer comes out, that time you keep using it like this. So in hair you apply oil and so many chemicals. So when it touch your hairs, it automatically absorb some oil from your hair. So that's what destroys quality, that's what ruin its quality. Okay, and here you can see this is fluffy and soft part. This is called ear muffs. One ear muff, second ear muff. Okay, and it easily comes out. Here you can see it easily comes out of this one. So in order to stick that fluffy part, that ear muffs, with the hard plastic, I use this tape, black color tape. Earlier I used white color tape, but it started coming out. That's why recently I used black color tape to stick this part with hard part, so it won't come easily. Okay, and I can use it. So this is the thing I have explained you about this headphone. And apart from that, you have a control of it. This is the power button, means I have covered it with white tape. If you keep pressing it for a while, it will turn it on. And here you will have sound button, means volume down, volume up, and in the middle there is a pause and play button. But the amazing feature of this headphone is this one. Here you can see a small small room. This is for memory card. If you don't have phone, okay, if you don't have phone, you don't want to carry phone with yourself, so you can insert memory card here and turn it on, and you will start enjoying the music. So that is the amazing feature it provides. All right. And anything else? And when I purchased, that time it cost me 700, but I recently checked its price. It has increased by 3 or 4%. Okay, so this is the feature I have explained about this headphone. That's how I keep practicing English on my own. If I am sitting alone, I don't have anybody, I will grasp any tool. Okay, here you can see it's mirror. Okay, I can also start explaining this loudly. So that's how I keep practicing English. And if I don't know any things, so such as I didn't used to know that this is called ear muff. Okay, but I learn it. I search on Google, on ChatGPT. Okay, and I got to learn. So that's how you can do this. You don't need anybody, and you will be kind of talking to on your own. You can also record them and upload it on YouTube. Okay, so go and start practicing. Never give up on your dreams. Hey, listen, if you find this video helpful, meaningful, and you have learned anything valuable from this video, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and don't forget to share either with your friends.